Good day everyone from Bodha, Nepal. I'm inviting each one of you to place the intention to let go everything that is not necessary anymore for your evolution and the evolution of the planet. It is time to take responsibility fully of your being and allow this being, beautiful divine being that you are, to be completely in this transition from the year of the snake to the year of the horse. We have a great opportunity to let go and be reborn into this divine being that we are, allowing the awake love, bliss, presence to be.